it is official. I have a new website. So if you have access to one of my courses, or you've been thinking about getting scripting secrets or something else from me, we now have a new website where you can buy that at. And this is really going to change SmartyRBX. It's going to change the channel. This is a new era for us, because what this is going to let me do, because I have lazy maxed it into existence and use my AI slave team of Claudes to produce it, we now are able to make my stuff get out there to you guys sooner. So we have a tool called Trello Forge, which basically lets you build Trello boards, which is like a bunch of tasks in a nice organized format for your team. Very quick to manage your ROBLOX people working on your projects. I also have other tools that I've been building over months and using very heavily to make vibe-coded games on Roblox. So a lot's going to change, a lot's going to update because of this website. I'm also making a vibe coding course here soon. So for all of you who have been watching my videos on how to master AI coding, how to use that in Roblox, you're going to be very happy with what is upcoming for you on the channel. Now, I will say that this has been a really good use of AI. Like, if you're somebody who wants to learn how to use this better, pay attention to this example. I needed a new website for a long time. And what did I do? I pointed my AI, my usage, not at making another new game, but at making a useful site for my channel, which is really the main thing I do right now, the main way I make money. I don't have a big game, thank you very much, on Roblox. Wish I did. I've been grinding to do it, but I don't have one yet. Full transparency. So what I do is YouTube, right? And my YouTube channel, it needs a way to sell you guys things beyond just the videos. So if you're somebody who wants to watch the free content, that's fine. But if you want to get more, and that includes, sure, there's courses like Scripting Secrets, the vibe coding course coming soon, but also tools that really help your Roblox development process. Go to that site, SmartyRBX.com, check it out, check out what we got for sale. Buy something if it piques your interest, and we also have a free vibe coding guide that's now out, or like vibe coding like blueprint. That's going to be basically a free thing you can get that will be connected to the vibe coding course, but that is not out yet. You will, if you sign up for that, you'll get emails updating you when that course is out, and it should be one of the most comprehensive resources in the Roblox development community to master vibe coding and the tool chains required to be good at it. And as well, on this new site, I am going to be making my MCP board available. So MCP board, if you watch my streams at all, the MCP board basically is my tool that I built that helps me to sync my code to Roblox Studio and manage my agents automatically, right? So I have MCP, I have repo syncing, but usually I have to set that stuff up manually. What MCP board does is it automates all the setup, and then it also lets your AI agents reopen studio places, remember which place it was writing code to or editing the UI in, and it also ensures that it doesn't accidentally write to the wrong game. So it lets you actually make multiple Roblox games at once, which basically every other tool on the market struggles with right now in some way, including Roblox's tooling. So that's going to be out soon as a monthly subscription. You can get access to MCP board, which is my tooling. It's allowed me to make like 10 different Roblox games. I know, crazy at the same time. And no, none of these games have blown up, but I will be teaching you not how to make a successful game, bro. That's really not the thing that I teach right now because I don't have one. It will be about how to learn the skills. That is what I can promise you. So the videos coming out will continue to mainly be positioned around teaching you vibe coding, teaching you how to master AI, giving you free resources for that. But the new website will allow me to give you even better tools to do so and even better courses and learning resources. So check that out at SmartyRBX.com, and also check out the free vibe coding guide in the description if you'd like to get that. And also it will get you those updates when that vibe coding course is out. All right, peace out. Catch you next video or next stream. Later.